Welcome to the trivia quiz. Let's play and test your knowledge. There are 3 different types of games in this quiz. Answer the question, multiple choice, and complete the word. First, an answer the question round. What is the fastest land animal? The answer is cheetah. This amazing creature can reach incredibly high speeds. Next is a multiple choice question. Which planet is closest to the sun? Your options are Mercury, Jupiter, Neptune, or Earth. The correct answer is Mercury. It is the innermost planet in our solar system. Now for a complete the word challenge. Complete the word. BTT __ F __. Here's a hint. It's an insect. The answer is butterfly, a common and beautiful flying insect. Back to answer the question. How many players are on a soccer team? The answer is 11. A standard soccer team has 11 players on the field. Thanks for playing the trivia quiz. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.